Thank you for tuning into Cooking with the 𝐬𝐤𝐾, and today we're going to do an easy side dish of smothered bacon Brussels sprouts, which has become a family favorite, and it's really easy to do. So first, we're going to get into the ingredients, and I'm going to put you up on one of my secret seasonings that I like to use. New seasoning alert. I was struggling finding it in the stores, and my kids absolutely love how it tastes. Brussels sprouts. It's actually bacon seasoning, but it tastes like hella good on Brussels sprouts. I know it's probably not cooked the healthiest, but it's the closest for now that we get into that. So I'm just gonna show you what I do with it, but I'm gonna insert, when I got it and all like that and all the specs about it. I like to get this stuff from Publix, but they always out. Started buying them 2 at a time. Now I can't even find it, and I love to put this on my Brussels sprouts. Sade and Sanaa, they really love this stuff on there. And so, since I couldn't find it, I had to go to, 𝐒𝐬𝐫𝐸.com. And they had a bigger one. And I had to wait because it was out of stock. And then as soon as they sent the email, I quickly ordered some. So, yeah. Amazing taste food. Look at it. Got 2 of them. I think it's 25 ounces, and this is 6 ounces. So it's about the size of like 4 of these in one. And I got 2. I think this is $4.99. This is $11.99. And so it's like saving $8 if I were to buy, for each one. So it was a deal, but look at how big it is. It is big. Still ain't filled to the tip top, but I ain't got to worry about running out now. So yeah, my secret seasoning. Check your local Publix, but I do have the link in the description box. As far as what's in it, they ain't gonna tell you everything, because I definitely thought about doing my own little mixture, but it's saying evaporated cane juice, solid honey granules, salt, ground black pepper, and the natural flavors. Still a mystery. So I just got it. Yeah. Happy. All right. So usually I'll cook about 3 or 4 bags of Brussels sprouts, but I only got 2 today because, we already got the sides and stuff going on. So it's 2 cut in halves. You get your hickory smoked bacon, whatever kind of bacon, but just some bacon. And, some butter. And it's going to be just a pinch of like some syrup and a little orange juice. And then my seasonings, a little salt, a little pepper, but mainly this. I poured some out of that big one into this one. So, I don't know. I just wanted to show y'all how I make that. So, let's get started. Okay, so like I said before, you take your Brussels sprouts and cut them in half pieces. I have 2 packs in here, but you can do, 4 or however many packs depending on how big your family is. Then you're going to take your bacon and you're going to cut that into about 1-inch pieces. And now I'm ready to cook the bacon. And just kind of take the little pieces and just throw them like that. And then my infamous bacon seasoning. Definitely gonna put that on there. I'm gonna put it in the bacon and the Brussels sprouts. And then it has like honey, it's like sugar, salt, and pepper mixed in. Kind of weird. You see how much I be putting? I be putting kind of a lot. Put my top over it. Okay, so it's cooking. And periodically just season it with some more of the bacon seasoning in between stirring it. Alright, and now this is how the bacon is looking. Last little sprig of it. Now you just sit the bacon to the side and use the same grease to kind of cook the Brussels sprouts in. So, usually the thing is, you know how it's sugary? It gets sticky. And when I put paper towel down in it to try to drain it, it ends up sticking to the bacon. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm just going to like pat it and not put none under it so it don't stick. So that's what I'm going to do. But you see how it starts sticking to the paper. That's why I don't want to do that. But yeah, that's the bacon. Set that to the side. And now, Brussels sprouts in that same grease. It's popping because it's got water on the Brussels sprouts. Okay. So now we got the Brussels sprouts in there. So it'll have some of that flavoring on there. It's almost like smothered cabbage or something, because really Brussels sprouts are just like baby cabbage. As a kid, it just seemed gross, but I guess it depends on how you cook it. And I saw this in the comment section one day on something, and people, you know, how I be sharing about Brussels sprouts and memories of, you know, sharing about, you know, food. It made me curious, like it's probably gonna taste good. So I tried it, and my kids actually like it. All right, so basically just seasoning up this. Using my bacon seasoning here. Add a little regular salt, a little regular pepper. These are the seasonings being used today. Of course, if you don't smother it down as much, it retains probably more of the health benefits of it, because you can probably do it without the bacon or without that type of grease. You know, if that's what you don't want to do. Because I'm still going to steam it. And you can still steam it and put some of that seasoning on there just to make it taste good. Y'all know how it is with us country folks. We're going to fry something. We're going to smother something. And something else to put in there is a little syrup. I'll add to the sweetness too. Also, a little orange juice. You can do a cap full, not a lot. And then also add your bacon in there.
It smells delicious as always.
I know this one of y'all favorite sides.
The first time that I ate this, it was delicious.
Yeah, I know y'all really like it.
It's very delicious and I like it.
So even Sanaa boyfriend sometimes when she give him a plate, he say this one of his favorites too. So I don't know if y'all seem to like it. Yeah, I like it.
It's kind of like the best side dish you've ever made so far.
Well, as long as y'all like it, that's what matters. Now you can put a little water in there to let it cook down, but it is a little down in there. So I'm just gonna let's put the top on it and let it steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you're worried about it, you can add a little more water, but you know, just check on it. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. And it's really your preference. Like I said, the longer you cook it, the more you smother it down, but you probably lose more of the nutritional value too. So probably the firmer it is, the better. So I'm gonna leave it at 5 minutes. It's fine. And if you don't have that seasoning, you can always put some sugar straight in there too. I almost forgot. You do both. But you can do sugar, salt, pepper, syrup, because that's gonna add the sweetness as well. And I don't know, if something I read with the orange juice, I just do it. It's fine. Yeah. That's that. So, like I say, if you don't have a special seasoning, all it is pretty much is just sugar, salt, and pepper. One final hoorah. of it. That's that old school thing. Oh, sugar. And there you have it, the finished Brussels sprouts. Tastes really good, love it, and just wanted to share that with you. So let me know how it turned out for you, and thank you for watching. Bye.